welcome back. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you a famous salad you must have heard of. It's going to be a variation of Nicoise salad. It is a very delicious and tasty salad. If you never tried it, please try it. You may really like it. So here are the ingredients you're going to need. So to make Nicoise salad, you will need some lemon, well basically lemon juice, hard-boiled egg, some chives, some bell pepper, red onion. These are boiled for 4 minutes. I boiled frozen green beans, some cherry tomatoes, Boston lettuce, also tuna, and I'm using tuna in olive oil. I drained the olive oil, some anchovies, some Kalamata olives. Of course, you can use different kind of olives from France, but this is what I found, so I'm using the Kalamata olives, plus I really like them. You're also going to need some Dijon mustard, some olive oil, salt, and pepper. And that's all the ingredients you need to make this salad. So let's start by making the dressing. So I'm going to use a measuring cup and I'm going to take 1/4 cup of olive oil. And this is going to be enough dressing for 2 salads. I'm just going to show you how to make one on camera today. So let's do 1/4 cup olive oil. Next thing we're going to do is add 1/4 cup lemon juice. I know some people make it with white wine vinegar, champagne vinegar, even red wine vinegar. Some people don't put anything sour at all, but I like mine with a taste of lemon. I think lemon taste goes really well with the tuna and the anchovies, because anchovies are really salty, so lemon kind of brings that down a little bit. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So for my lemons, it turned out to be about 1 whole lemon. And I should also mention that this dressing is a very nice salad vinaigrette that you can use for different salads as well, like vegetable salads. To this vinaigrette, I'm also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And for my taste, I really like to add a little bit of chives into this vinaigrette. So I'm just gonna cut off some of these tips here. And I'm just gonna finely chop it into the vinaigrette. So I'm actually just gonna place my dressing into a little bowl where it's easier to mix. Okay, so just mix this and leave it on the side. For the tuna, all I'm gonna do is just break it with the fork like this and leave it in the can for now. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the Boston lettuce, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take the half. I'm just gonna cut it like this, and then like that, and just kind of chunks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take these chunks and just place it into a plate where I'm gonna make the salad. Okay, so let's continue working on our ingredients. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of red onion, and I will just cut sort of strips. Just leave that on the side. The next thing I'm gonna do is cut your cherry tomatoes just in half. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, use any other tomatoes you like. Bell pepper, I'm only using 1/4, and I'm just gonna cut thin strips like this. I'll remove some of this white part. And the last thing, cut your egg. This is hard-boiled egg that I boiled for 8 minutes. So just cut into quarters. And the green beans, like I mentioned, they're pre-boiled, and I cut them in half. So that's all the prep work you need. Now I'm just gonna show you how to put the salad together. Okay guys, so the first thing you wanna do is just take your tuna and place about 1/2 of a can of tuna over the lettuce. Add some black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Keep in mind your anchovies are salty as well as the tuna. So then we'll add some of the green beans. Add your bell pepper. And your red onion. some cherry tomatoes, your hard-boiled egg. I'm just gonna put it on the side so it doesn't get covered with the dressing. And then you want to add your olives. And the last ingredient, like I said, are the anchovies. So add as many as you like to eat, but I usually do about 4 or 5 of them. And the last thing you want to do is mix your dressing and just pour some over your salad, probably about half of the dressing we made. And keep in mind, if you find this dressing too sour, you can always add a little bit of sugar, like half teaspoon or half teaspoon of honey to it. Okay everyone, so here's the up close of the final product. So this is the salad niçoise that is French originated, and that's a little bit of my take on the salad. You might see different variations of the similar salad, and I hope you enjoyed. And thank you so much. Please like the video and subscribe to see more, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.